They arrived early at Carlisle and sat in silence. No need to be there 90 minutes before kick-off, of course. The club's gates rarely top.
This is ITV1. We apologise for interrupting our normal programming, but we have an important announcement to share with you all. Please wait for further information. All channels shall be merged for this emergency broadcast. We have been noticing severe earthquakes that have been spreading all across the world. Met Office has determined that this is a severe threat to human life. We highly suggest you listen to this emergency alert to ensure your safety. The areas that are going to be impacted the most are London, Manchester and Birmingham. If you live in these affected areas, you must take shelter or evacuate right now. If you currently have children at school, do not attempt to collect them. Emergency services are currently in the process of guiding them to safety. You are advised to seek shelter and stay away from big cities, as the impact of the earthquake will destroy buildings and anything in its path. You will gain nothing from staying out in the open. Here at ITV, we wish you all the best of luck for survival. Please stay tuned for any further alerts. Remember, stay calm and stay safe.
It was to be the end of more than 7 decades in the Football League. All true fans would want to pay their final respects.
You are now watching BBC One. We now have a special BBC News report regarding the tragic earthquakes that took the lives of millions of people. Our thoughts and prayers are with you all and the families affected. With that being said, BBC News.
Hello there and welcome to BBC News. Today, an unexpected earthquake happened all across the world, shattering the lives of millions globally. The death toll is rapidly increasing minute by minute as we try to figure out what was the entire cause of this tragic event. During these uncertain times, we must remain vigilant and stay calm at all times. This is truly an out-of-ordinary event for humanity and a sad day in history indeed. Silence and sorrow creeps through the entire world as we mourn the loss for the lives that have been lost and the families affected by this tragedy. Now is the time to set our differences aside and come together as human beings and have a look and pay respects to those who have sadly had their lives taken as a result of the earthquake. Throughout history, we have faced various challenges to our survival, but this event is nothing like we have seen before. We truly appreciate your respect and cooperation during these trying times, and we are delighted to bring you updates regarding the situation. Please stay tuned for any emergency broadcasts and news reports. This is Jenny Bond, BBC News.